Go to Messenger Bot. Scroll down and click on WooCommerce Abandoned Cart. Click on Create Plugin. From the drop-down menu, choose your Facebook page. Now enter your website URL. Now choose your language. Now enter a reference such as your domain name. Choose your plugin skin color. Enter a opt-in success message. You can leave it blank if you like. Choose when you want your first message to be sent. Now choose when your follow-up message is to be sent. You can also choose not to send a reminder if you like. You can send SMS and email reminders as well. Set your time delay as we did in the steps before. You can set your time delays here as well. When finished, click on Generate Plugin. You should see plugin created. Click OK. Your plugin is now available for download. Click on the download plugin link. Upload the plugin to your WooCommerce website. The details should be auto-populated. If not, then fill it out. That's it. Now watch the magic happen.